Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a bearing challenge, precision bearing challenge in Skate 4. So let's get started. Here you will need to do a kickflip or other flip trick. So you will need to get some speed for sure. It takes some patience, but it's doable. Okay, let's go right here and make sure to jump on time right here. Otherwise you're going to slam right here on the crop 2. Here you need to manual this crosswalk like this. And now what you'll need to do is jump right here and collect this bearing. So for the total attempt score, you need to do everything in one attempt and finish with good tricks. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one. Peace.